Hey guys, Mix here, and in today's video we're going to be doing something really awesome. So you guys might be able to tell from the title and thumbnail already, but today we are going to be going over to Sean's house. You guys probably know him. I went riding with him on the first drive with the RM125, and he's been in, a whole bunch of videos in the past, but he recently got a new bike. Or, I'll just say it. He recently got a trike. He'll probably go more into a deeper explanation once we get there. But today, we're going to be trying to get it running. It's been sitting for years, and I'll explain more once we get there. But today, I'm going to be riding there because I, feel like riding a bike or something. So I'm going to be ripping the Solex to his house. The engine doesn't run yet, but it is a pretty smooth bike, actually. Last time I rode this, I got some really funny reactions. People loved it. But we'll start to head there now, and hopefully we can get this trike running. Alrighty guys, so we just got to Sean's. Garage might look familiar from the go-kart build, but as you guys can see behind me, Sean got himself a new rig. So what he got is a 1984 Honda 200 ES big red trike, and this thing is pretty dang sweet. You guys probably won't believe the price of that. $399, boys. So that is awesome. That is a crazy good find. And a couple days ago, we actually started working on it already. Sean took off the carburetor and everything, and we went inside of it and checked it out, and it was pretty dang bad. As you can see, I mean, it's still pretty corroded, but you guys should have seen it before. But there's a problem with the fuel not being able to enter the carburetor, because there's a clog somewhere from where the fuel goes down here around this area, and then from where it goes down to the carb, where the needle goes. We've been trying everything to try and get it out. Fire, like copper wiring to try and dig whatever's out. Just shoot a whole ton of carb clean down there, and it's not working. Once we get this carburetor fixed, this thing should, stay running and everything. It has great compression. It has good spark, and it has basically all the components for it to run and everything. Solex was nice and smooth here. I passed the cop, and he, didn't seem to care anything with an engine. Around here, they're pretty strict about motorized bikes and dirt bikes in general. But hopefully that thing will be running today.
And driving.
Oh, a lot of you guys, and riding, or whatever. I don't know, because apparently, I have a habit of saying I drive dirt bikes or something. I ride dirt, I don't know. Hopefully that thing will be running and riding today. Moving.
I was moving the dirt bikes.
Running and moving. And yeah, hopefully we get that clog out of the carb, get it all back together, and fire her up.
Some viewers may find the following video disturbing. Viewer discretion is advised.
Alrighty guys, so what we did is we drove through right to the side of the carburetor, which is pretty ghetto, I guess, but it worked. The carb cleared out, so now we're gonna JB weld the side. I mean, if it works, it works, so that's all that matters. And yeah, hopefully that JB weld holds. We just ran to AutoZone, got our JB weld, which is nice and solid now. And don't criticize us down in the comments, because this, I believe, will work. It was either this or this thing won't be running anytime soon. We could have just bought a carburetor, but
you gotta keep it original.
Yeah, all original. But yeah, we just got the choke on, so now we're gonna put on the parts that we cleaned all out, throw it back onto the trike, and see if this thing will fire up for the first time in who knows how many years. Everything's back in the carb. Now we're just gonna hook up the cable to the choke, and then just hook it up to the bike, and hopefully this thing will fire up. The carburetor is now on, along with the boot, and now Sean is just cutting the fuel line in half because it's a little bit too long.
That's what she said.
And I'm gonna hook it up, fill her up, and fire this puppy up. Okay guys, so before we start up, we're gonna be pouring in some of this Tectron stuff. Tecron. It's supposed to stabilize everything, clean everything. So after we pour that in, throw on the seat, and then it is finally time to fire it up.
Should be enough for testing purposes.
She's ready to go. I'll just double check everything.
That's enough. Oh.
Any leakage?
No.
Nope. Oh, we got a leak. So it's leaking out of the overflow. I can't stop it with hitting it with a hammer. So we're just gonna try and start it. It's not leaking out of the hole, it's just out of the overflow. I mean, we'll just see what happens. We're gonna put it up against the tire just in case it is in gear because we can't seem to find neutral. Here we go. First startup, hopefully. All right, I got some smoke coming out. Keep pulling her. Give her some gas. I try no choke, which would be crazy if it doesn't. Alright, take two. See if this thing will start. There is smoke coming out of the exhaust, so it is firing. Maybe it might be flooded from the gas overflowing. Alright guys, so we just went to take off the air box to check inside, and it is filled with gas, so our floats, I guess, are sticking, and then the gas probably, the engine probably has a ton of fuel in it, so we could try and just lean it back a little bit, or let it sit and evaporate, because, you know, it's pretty hot out. But we're definitely going to take that all out and see what we can do. We just leaned it back, and Sean said that there was just a little bit dripping out, so we're just going to try it again. Try some starter fluid, try and get everything going again. Nah. Now we're just gonna take out the spark plug, check for fuel, check we have spark. Hopefully we still have spark, because we did have it before. And my guess is that fuel's gonna shoot out. And if it does, then I guess that's good, then we know a problem. I mean, a lot of carbs tend to have this problem when they've been sitting for a while. They might just need to get ran a little bit. Here's the spark plug, it is wet. So I guess we'll turn it over with the spark plug out, see if anything shoots out. Yes, I mean, a little bit shot out, not a lot. Oh yeah, we got pretty good spark. Let's try this again. So we came down to conclude that the problem is the spark. It's getting spark on and off, so it could just be the fat out spark plug. Sean just tried to clean it up a little bit, and it looks way better than before, but it would get spark once, and then it would just stop for like ever. It shouldn't need the battery to run, because it is getting spark every now and then, but it's not consistent, so my guess is that it's just the spark plug. We could just try a new one. Hopefully it's not like an electrical problem. That would be really bad. So guys, it is probably about an hour later since the last time I recorded, and we've just been trying to get spark on this thing, but it ain't happening. For some reason, we just can't get it anymore. I mean, it used to have spark. Like, it used to have consistent spark, and then it stopped. So that is really, really weird. We're gonna try and keep looking. We're not gonna stop. And hopefully this thing could at least fire. Let's try it. Oh yeah. All right, we got good spark now all of a sudden. So we'll put in the spark plug now.
Hi.
And see if this thing will fire up. All right, try it, Sean. Oh, come on, baby. Come on. Hey, there we go. Come on. Oh my, there we go. Headlights on.
Headlights on.
Headlight was on. All right, let's try and put some gas in
See
there.
if we can start it again.
Yeah, let's try and put some gas because we ran out. Oh. Sean's gonna fill it up again because we ran out from a major oil leakage. So.
Real man.
Alright, yeah, that carb's like messed up.
Straight in the middle. I bet you don't go into the Joe, come over here.
Oh yeah.
The next day.
Alrighty guys, so we were back here the next day, and I didn't get to record an outro yesterday, so I figured I'd do one when I come back, and I want to update you guys with the Honda and the RM. We got the RM and the Honda here, and I know a lot of you guys want to be seeing videos with the Honda, and they are going to be coming soon. I have parts on the way for this, and the build on this is going to be awesome. So stay tuned for that. They are coming. And the RM, I probably am going to be going back to the track now because I did get it all dialed in. It is running really good. And this time the plastics are actually staying on. So that's good. But I just want to do a quick update like that, just to let you guys know what's going on with those two bikes, because I know you guys both love them a lot. But comment down below if you guys want to see more videos with that big red, the ATC200, for later on, because I know Sean, he's going to be fixing that up. So let me know if you guys want me to record that for you guys. But we just hit 15,000 subscribers last night. I'm pretty sure last video I thanked you guys for 14,000. So that is actually insane. Now I got like 200 more since last night. So thank you guys so much for the support. It really means the world to me. I'm going to be continuing to make some awesome videos for you guys non-stop. But anyway, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, comment, tell your friends about the channel.